Tired of spending too much on sad wilted herbs from the store? Let's change that by growing your own fresh, flavor-packed herbs right at home and saving money while you're at it. Whether you've got a backyard, a balcony, or just a sunny windowsill, you can start your own herb garden. No green thumb required. Homegrown herbs mean more flavor, less waste, and more cash in your pocket. Plus, it's fun. Yes, even if your last plant was a cactus that didn't make it. Ready to save money and make every meal pop with fresh herbs? Let's dive in. Your herb growing adventure starts now. Ready to grow your own herbs at home? Here's your quick, no-nonsense guide to get started. No green thumb required. Step 1. Pick your spot. Outdoors with plenty of sun? Perfect. Apartment dweller? A sunny windowsill works just as well. Step 2. Choose your containers. Pots, mugs, boots, anything with drainage holes will do. Get creative. Step 3. Fill your containers with well-draining potting mix made for herbs or veggies. Your plants will love it. Step 4. Pick your herbs. Start with easy ones like basil, mint, parsley, chives, or oregano. Seeds or baby plants, your choice. Step 5. Plant. Fill containers with soil, leaving an inch at the top. Gently tuck in your plants or sow seeds according to the packet. Step 6. If transplanting, loosen roots before planting. For seeds, follow depth and spacing instructions. Step 7. Water well, but don't drown them. Herbs like moist, not soggy soil. Make sure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Not enough sun? Use a grow light. Check soil moisture with your finger. If it's dry an inch down, it's time to water. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll have a thriving, money-saving herb garden in no time. All right, let's dive into the juicy part, savings and benefits. Imagine this. No more shelling out for those overpriced herb packets at the store. Over time, you'll see those grocery bills shrink, especially if you're a kitchen wizard. Plus, you'll have organic herbs at your fingertips. No more mystery chemicals. Think about it. Those little plastic clamshells can cost you an arm and a leg, and they often end up wilting in the fridge before you can say basil. That's money literally going in the trash. But when you grow your own, you can snip off just what you need, ensuring every last bit of freshness goes into your dish. Plus, you can rest easy knowing your herbs are free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. That's a huge win for your health and peace of mind, and the savings don't stop there. With an abundance of fresh herbs, you're more likely to whip up meals at home instead of splurging on takeout. This not only saves you money, but also lets you control the ingredients and make healthier choices. Plus, there's nothing like the satisfaction of knowing you grew those delicious herbs yourself. There's a certain pride that comes with serving a meal made with ingredients you've nurtured from seed to table. But wait, there's more. The benefits of growing your own herbs go beyond just saving money and eating well. Studies show that gardening can reduce stress and improve your mood. So you're not just saving money and eating healthier, you're also boosting your overall well-being. It's a win-win-win. So there you have it. Growing your own herbs is not just a fun and rewarding hobby. It's a smart financial decision that benefits your wallet, your health, and your happiness. And there you have it. Green thumbs and soon-to-be plant wizards. Growing your own herbs isn't just about saving a few bucks, though, hey, your wallet will thank you. It's about bringing a slice of nature right into your home, and maybe even impressing your friends with your "I grew this" humble brag. Whether you're a culinary genius or just here for the plant puns, there's pure joy in watching your little green squad grow. Pro tip: every garden needs a dash of love, a sprinkle of patience, and, let's be honest, a pep talk or two for those drama queen seedlings. So roll up those sleeves, get gloriously messy, and let your inner plant parent shine. Got a weird garden hack or a tip that makes your basil boogie? Drop it in the comments or tag us with #Rhokins Homestead. Let's make those plants dance. If you cracked a smile or learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because this garden party is just getting started. Thanks for hanging out at Rhokins Homestead, your one-stop shop for all things leafy, lively, and laugh-out-loud fun. Let's dig in, grow together, and turn every windowsill into a wild, wonderful jungle. Happy gardening, you legends!